Hi everyone, this is Marcia and today I'm going to show you how to blink this LED using Arduino, and we can make it blinks faster or not. Let's start with the component. So what do we need? We need the Arduino, we need the Protoboard, and we need the resistor, like that, 300. Okay. We need the LED, and we need the wire cables. Let's start. Okay, let's explain how the protoboard works. As you can see here, I get a positive from Arduino, and everything when you put in this row, this code is going to be positive. And the LED, it has one positive and one negative. This cable here, the black one, is getting ground from Arduino. I put it here. When I put it here, all this column here is going to be negative. Like here, all this column here is going to be positive. And the LED to work, it needs a resistor. And I put it here. One side is getting positive here, and I will bring it here to connect to the positive of LED. So when you put something here, all the column get the same sign. Here's the positive. And here, the black one is getting all ground. This is how Protoboard works. But we have to hesitation here at the bottom, at the top. At the top here, if we put positive here, all this row is going to be positive. If we put negative here, all this column here is going to be negative. It's different because here it get all the column, and here it get all the row, right? So let's start. Here on Arduino we have the 13 pin that has positive inside it. So we got this wire cable, put in 13, okay, it's on 13, right? Perfect. And beside there is a ground, so let's put it here. Let's get close. 13 and ground. Okay. They are good here. And we make here. Let's start with the positive. We choose one here, maybe number 10, and put it. Okay. I put it here. All this line, all this column here is going to be positive, right? And we have the resistor to work with the LED. Let's make this one. And here the same. Great. We put here on the same column of positive. Okay. And choose some place here to put. Okay. Now we have positive come from Arduino, goes here. Here we put the resistor. We are going to get positive from here to here. Now we put the positive of LED. Okay, one is positive and other is negative. You have to put the positive, the same row, okay, the same row of positive of the resistor. So this is negative. We need to get negative here. We get this cable that is negative and put the same column, the same row. Okay. Negative here. All this row is going to be negative. And this is going to get the positive from resistor. So here in Arduino is done. You only need to plug the cable and coding to make it works.
Okay, we are here on computer again. We need to tell to Arduino that we are going to use the 13 pin for output, and here envelope what we need. Using 13 pin, we need to digital write 13 high to turn light on. Then we need a delay of 1 second. So, and then again, using 13, we need to make the light off using the command low, and using a delay again to wait to come back to the loop, to the start of the looping. So we need to upload it. Okay, it's uploaded, and now in Arduino we have this video.
And that's it. Look the LED. We start on, waiting 1 second, then turn off. Waiting 1 second, then it light up again. So this is it. I hope you had enjoyed this video. Please like us, and if you want to get new videos, please subscribe. I see you next video.